With the advent of technology, mankind is now able to do things previously unimaginable. Yet the world is rife with abject poverty, ill health and violence, which is robbing mankind of peace and happiness. With so much pain and suffering on planet Earth, the question therefore arises in our thoughts as to what is the purpose in life. Do you ever wonder what it's all about? As we chase more money, more security, a bigger house, a better job, more and more bigger and better things that we hope will finally make us happy. But do you truly feel happy even with these things in your possession, or is something still missing? Some of us spend a whole lifetime on this planet, in the pursuit of fame and fortune, whilst living miserable, painful lives, and never even contemplating upon the truth of who and what we are and what we are capable of. It is here that being versus becoming can show you how to seize the endless chase for happiness born from the restless dual nature of the human mind, which is subject to constant change. But what exactly is being versus becoming?
Thus ending the search for happiness.